Hello everyone, welcome back again to SelfCAD channel with SelfCAD tips and tricks how to use objects in another projects. For example, I have these 3D objects and I will use these objects into another project. First, we need to save these objects. You can click the objects and then you can click files. Next, you can click save objects. Now, the object will be saving into objects library. You can click file in here and then you can click load object. The object will be appear at this point. The next, to use these objects into another project, you can open your project. For example, I will open my projects and I will use these projects. We're waiting to open the project. And to insert the object into here, you can click files and then you can click load objects. Next, you can click this icon load. The object will be appear in this projects. You can see. Now you can scale these objects or you can move by using move tools to this point, and then we can move in blue axis. You also can use rotate command to rotate in green axis, okay, to this point. And now we already attach these objects into another project. Okay, enough today for SelfCAD tips and tricks how to use objects into another project. If you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.